Hey guys, so I'm glad to see you all here today and welcome to Basic Chinese Lesson 23. And in this lesson, we will continue to learn new vocabularies. But before we start, let's review first what we learned from last lesson. So we have 橡皮、池子、充电器、耳机、音乐、电影、灯光、电视剧。So if you guys forgot to review what we learned before, then I suggest that you watch our last lesson again. So let's begin this lesson. As we learn from time to time, vocabulary in Chinese is 词汇, 词汇. So here we have three new vocabularies to learn. We have 门口、窗、台阶、门口、窗、台阶。So let's read together, guys. 门口、窗、台阶。One more time. 门口、窗、台阶。So 门口 is gate or door. 窗 is window. 台阶 is stairs. So when we climb up the stairs, we can say we climb 台阶, 台阶. Moving on to the next slide, we have 瓶子、锅、杯子、瓶子、锅、杯子。So let's read together, guys. 瓶子、锅、杯子。One more time. 瓶子、锅、杯子。So 瓶子 is jar or bottle. 锅 is used when we want to say pan and wok. 杯子 is glass, mug, or teacup. So in the next slide, we have two more vocabularies to learn. So we have 壶、勺子、壶、勺子。So let's read together, guys. 壶、勺子。One more time. 壶、勺子。So 壶 is kettle or jug, and 勺子 is spoon. So that's all for today's lesson. And in this lesson, we have learned 8 vocabularies in total. Then I hope to see you on our next lesson. See you guys.